continue on with our Valentine's Day DIYs, and today we are going to make a red heart tray. So we're going to use some things from a previous DIY project. So y'all know I'm into reusing stuff, so that's what we're gonna do. This little old ugly lazy Susan, we're gonna reuse this, and the bling wrap, we're gonna use this mirror from Dollar Tree, and I already have the tower blocks glued on there. I used two, glued them together, glued them to the back of the mirror. We're going to use these hearts that I had from last year, and I'm going to reuse those, and we're going to use some of our bling wrap. So the first thing we're going to do is glue the mirror down to the Lazy Susan. And I'm trying to center it as much as I can in the middle. Okay, so I still got glue from from last time, but anyway, we're gonna go ahead and use this wrap. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to cover the edges of the Lazy Susan. So basically what I'm doing is I'm trying to line it up with the old bling wrap to try to make it look like one thing is going on as much as possible, and it's not going to look like that, but because this is some old bling wrap, but it will be, you know, you will be able to cover it. Remember, I'm just giving you ideas, y'all. So I would probably start fresh with some bling wrap and a new Lazy Susan, but I'm just giving you ideas. Okay, as you can see, I'm done putting the hearts on here. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit and sell it. Okay, Glam Fam, so the next DIY is this little vase that I found in this little plate. I found this vase at the Goodwill, so I was gonna try to, you know, glam it up for someone and give it to them. She wanted a red vase with some silver in it. So I'm going to try to give her something with so much glam, because she said, girl, glam it up for me. So I'm going to try to give you all that, give her that. So what we're going to do is just randomly take some bling wrap. I don't know what design I'm going to do. I'm just doing this. So let's just try to, play it by ear. Okay, Glam Fam, so this is how our tray turned out, our red heart tray. I think it is absolutely gorgeous, y'all. It is so cute. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and look at our next DIY. Okay, Glam Fam, so this is how our vase turned out. I think it is cute. Y'all know I am not really fond of red, but I think it turned out pretty. The vase did and the plate did. So I think it'll be cute for a little centerpiece or something, you know, for Valentine's Day. So y'all, if y'all like what you see, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs.